Hello, my name is Lola. This is my second Java assignment, and they want me to take an input from the user. So I have already have my code written out, not to take our time. So I've created a package called Java 2, and I created my class called section 2, and I have the question to ask written out, and I coded it as a comment. And also I've specified the kind of the data I want the input to take. For like, what is your name? The data type it will take is string because name is always string. And how old are you? The data type it will take is integer because that is number. And what is your gender is going to be female, is string. Where are you from is string. Where do you live now is string, and on. And then the salary is double because it's going to hold a decimal, and the race is double because it's going to hold a decimal. So for me to be able to print out, I have to do the system out dot print line, and I put my comment, my question, which is what is your name. And for me to get an input from the client, I have to say scanner user input, which is UI. It's got to new scanner system in, and then my data type is print, and this what is your name, I variable I name it as username, and UI next line because it's print is next line. So for the second one I did the same thing. This is saying how old are you. I have my statement written in it, and then the scanner UI2, and I named the second variable as age, and that is an integer. For integer it will be int because the name I gave my variable is age. So it's equal to user input 2 net int. So I did it all for all. Then when it comes to double, when it comes to what is your salary, is double. It's going to hold a decimal. So I have my salary double. This is the name I gave the variable, which is a salary, and its number user input 8, and next double. So in my final printout, I quoted all the statement apart from the variable. I put it in the code. So all the statement was coded in the variable. I cannot put a code on the variable. So I'm going to run my code, and now you see my machine working. So you're asking me what is my name. I'm going to say my name is Lola, and you say how old am I? I'll say I'm 24 years old, and you say what is my gender? I'm saying I'm a female, and you say where are you from? I'm going to say I'm from New York. And it's asking me where do I live now. I will say I live in Austin. And asking me that where do I work, I'm going to say I work at Target. And it's asking me what is your job role. I'm going to say I'm a clerk. And it's asking me what is my salary. I'm going to say my salary is 100,000. And the next question is say, how much raise are you getting next year? I'm going to say I'm going to get like $10,000 raise. And now it's asking me about my total salary. I'm going to say my total salary will be 110, $110,000. So I'm going to enter. So when you look at the last print, I have all my question inputted, my answer inputted into the question. Thank you.